you okay? Okay. Somebody said that you were sitting at the light for quite some time. Okay. You don't look fine. Have you been drinking anything today? Would you mind stepping out of the car for me?
July 12, 2025, Florida. A driver sits motionless at a green light. What starts as a welfare check becomes a textbook DUI investigation. Under Cady versus Dombrowski, officers can conduct welfare checks without warrants when public safety is at stake. The driver's confusion and evasive answers trigger reasonable suspicion under Terry versus Ohio.
Hello. Hi. So what would make you sit at the light for so long?
I was sitting at the light outside the store.
So you weren't at the traffic light?
I was sitting here.
How long have you been here?
Like 5 minutes.
Okay, where were you before you came here?
Right here.
Where are you coming from?
Where am I coming from?
Yeah.
I was just coming from the store.
Which store?
Just coming from the store to where I'm
You've had absolutely nothing to drink? Have you taken anything?
I'm prescribed that.
Okay, when's the last time you took that?
4 hours ago.
Okay, are you supposed to be driving when you take that? Where are you going to?
One of my friend's house.
Where is that? Do you know where you are right now?
Yeah.
Where?
In Wellington.
You think you're in Wellington right now?
Well, it Loxahatchee.
You're in Loxahatchee right now?
I'm not sure where
So where were you coming from when you left wherever it was to go to your friend's house? Where did you leave?
I think I'm in Loxahatchee.
Okay, but where did you leave to go to your friend's house? Were you at home? Were you at another friend's house? Were you...
I was at another friend's house.
Where do they live?
Loxahatchee.
So you were leaving Loxahatchee to go to Wellington, and you got here. Okay. And you think you're still in Loxahatchee? Okay. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see it? Do you have a driver's license? This is an ID card. Do you have a driver's license? No. So you shouldn't be driving?
Can you tell me what's going to happen? Because I know she's driving.
Say that again?
Because I know I'm not supposed to be driving.
Okay. What did you say before that?
What's going to happen?
Well, I'm going to move my car and then we'll have a talk.
Is the vehicle registered to you? Is there anything illegal in the car that I need to know about? Any marijuana? Nothing? Do you have your prescribed medications on you? Can I see them? Why are there's no label on here.
You can call it in.
I know, but you can't carry around prescriptions without a label that I can read on them. Did you know that? But did you know that though? That we have to be able to read every prescription that you carry on you.
You can't see that?
No.
Not really. No. So
I get 90.
So this one is supposed to be yellow, which these ones are yellow, but I don't think the ones that are in here are yellow.
I get.
Okay, I'll worry about it. You talk to her.
I
I understand, but these pills in here are supposed to be yellow, and they're not. The pills that are in here are supposed to be yellow. Okay,
Let me see.
I'm gonna do it, and you can talk to her.
Can you step out with me?
Yes.
Kristen, I'm gonna ask you to perform some tasks because I want to make sure that your
I'm
normal
not going to do
faculties.
anything right now.
I want to make sure that your normal faculties aren't too
I'm
impaired
not going
to
to
be
do
driving.
anything right now.
What's in your shirt?
Nothing. There's nothing in my shirt.
Okay. I want you to walk toward the front of my car.
Oh, I don't feel comfortable with what you're talking about. Those are my pills. Those are what I take.
Okay, that has nothing to do with what she's talking about.
Okay, but that's what I'm talking about.
Kristen, I
Yes,
need you to
ma'am.
walk toward the front of my car. This way.
No. I'm
Yeah.
not going to.
No, here.
I said I'm not going to.
Okay. You're gonna walk this
So
way.
you're gonna pull me?
No, we're gonna walk this way.
So you're gonna make me?
We're gonna walk this way.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you remember where you are right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Stop right here. Where are you?
Where? By Westlake.
Westlake and what?
I don't know the roads.
Okay. What city are you in?
By Westlake.
Is that a town?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do me a favor? Face me. Stand with your feet together.
I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna.
I just want to look at your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. Stand with your feet
But I'm not
together.
gonna do this.
You're not gonna let me look at your eyes?
You can look in my eyes.
Okay. That's what all I'm asking you to do is stand with your feet together so I can look at your eyes.
Sounds really religious.
No, stop moving your head. Look up here.
I just wanna fucking so weird.
I'm sorry, what?
I said y'all just wanna fuck with me. There's nothing that I'm doing wrong.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you to do a couple more tests so I can make sure that your normal faculties aren't too impaired for you to be driving.
Yes, ma'am.
Left foot on the line. Your left foot. No, wait. I didn't ask you to start yet.
I'm fine.
Put your left foot on the line. Do you know your left from your right?
Yes,
Which is your left?
that's my left.
Okay, put your left foot on the line. And then your right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe. Just like this. No, I didn't ask you to start yet.
I don't think I could do that.
Why not?
Okay, do my
Do you have
left.
any recent head injuries?
I get seen guys.
Okay. You're okay.
I have medication for that.
Okay. Go ahead and put your left foot on the line.
My head doesn't work that way.
Your head doesn't. Do you know your left foot?
Yeah,
Where's your left
no,
foot?
I know my left foot from my right foot.
Okay. Can you put your left foot on the line?
Yeah.
Okay. And then your right foot in front of your left foot, and then just stand there without walking yet. No, we're not ready to start yet. Can you go back to the... I need to show you how to do it first.
Yeah.
Okay. Watch what I do, and I'm going to explain it to you. You're going to start with your left foot on the line and your right foot. Okay, and you're going to have your right foot in front of your left foot. And when you begin, you're going to take 9 steps, heel to toe. With each step, you're going to make sure that your heel touches your toe. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. I only went to 3. You're going to go all the way to 9. When you get to the 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot on the line, and you're going to take a series of small steps and turn around. You're going to take 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, all the way
I'm
to 9.
telling you right now, I don't think I can do it.
Why not?
I don't feel good.
Okay, that's fine. Just go ahead and try it. You have to keep your arms at your side. Do you remember the instructions I gave you? What were the instructions I gave you?
To walk a straight line with my hands, my feet, left, right.
Okay. And what were you supposed to do when you got to the end?
Huh?
Do you remember what you were supposed to do when you got to the end of the line? You were supposed to turn around and go back 9 steps. With each step, your heel touches your toe. Not using your arms for balance, leaving your arms at your side.
So lay my arms down.
Leave your arms down. Make sure your heel touches your toe with each step, counting out loud. Do you remember how many steps I asked you to take?
I took 14.
How many did I ask you to take?
I don't know.
9? Does that sound familiar?
Is that irrelevant?
Okay.
Oh, I'm so not on this right now.
Okay, come here. No, don't walk away. Stay right here.
I'm not walking away from
Okay,
you.
well, stand right here. Stand right here. Face me.
Yes,
We're going
ma'am.
to try something else.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your feet together. Arms at your side. I'm going to have you pick the foot of your choice. You're going to raise your foot 6 inches. And you're going to keep your toe parallel to the ground. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, face me. Face me. There you go. Are you ready to begin? Go ahead and begin. Can you give me
How does it go?
Just like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep going until I tell you to stop.
How long?
Just until I tell you to stop. Looking at your foot, counting out loud.
That's a long time.
I didn't give you a time frame. I just said until I tell you to stop. Do you remember the instructions I gave you?
Yeah. How long did I do it for?
Well, I haven't told you to stop yet, but you were supposed to look at your foot, count out loud with your arms
How
at
long
your
did I
side.
do it for?
Not long.
Okay, but I did it for a while.
How long is a while?
I don't know how long.
How long
did I
do you
it
think
for?
you did it for?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, go ahead and walk toward the front of my car for me. Face the car. At this time, I do believe that your normal faculties are impaired. Too impaired for you to be driving a motor vehicle, and you are under arrest for DUI.
She admits she has no driver's license. That's Florida Statute 322.03, a criminal misdemeanor. Pennsylvania versus Mimms gives officers authority to order her out for field sobriety tests. Her medications? No proper labels. Wrong colored pills in the bottle. That's Florida Statute 893.3. The walk and turn test shows 5 impairment clues. NHTSA says 2 is enough. 1 leg stand? 6 clues. She can't follow basic instructions or maintain balance. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, no Miranda needed during roadside questioning. Probable cause examines the totality of circumstances, not individual facts in isolation. Citizen report, geographic confusion, admitted medication use, no valid license, unlabeled pills, and failed sobriety tests. That's overwhelming probable cause.
Can you make a call of jail? I don't have that number.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, hurt me? Okay.
Do you have anything on you that she may or may not
No.
miss? And you bring, I have to tell this to everybody. If it goes into the jail and they find it in the jail,
Fuck them up.
stop. If it goes into the jail, it's another charge. Do you understand that? Are you going to stand still so I can continue?
What's gonna happen to my kids?
What do you mean? Nothing. Where are they?
What do you mean?
Where are they?
What's gonna happen
Where are they?
with my mom?
Okay, then they'll stay with your mom.
That sounded so fucking funny. Fucking.
We're not the one that made this decision. Why are you calling us pieces of shit? You made the choice. You got 4 kids, but you're still out here doing, getting DUIs.
Oh, what's amazing.
Search your purse yet? There's also pill bottles on the back.
Can you tell? I have my medicine in there. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am? Fuck you. And why did I get pulled over?
Well, we stopped to make sure that you were okay.
And why wasn't I okay?
We were told that you were stopped at a traffic light and stopped at a green light. So I wanted to make sure you weren't sick. And then when I
Stopped
caught
at a
you,
green light when I wasn't okay.
sounds
Yeah, that sounds fucking terrible. Okay. It's crazy because every time that y'all fuck with me, I'm not doing nothing wrong. First time, I was asleep in the back of my car and somebody else was driving me. This time, I ain't even gonna talk about this one. Y'all crazy as hell.
Officer grade B+. Solid legal procedures, proper NHTSA protocols. Minus points for that unnecessary comment about her parenting choices. Driver grade D, multiple violations, verbal abuse during lawful arrest, and 0 accountability for putting others at risk. Department grade B, good training, proper equipment, bodycam transparency. Here's what matters. Community caretaking is real constitutional authority. Field sobriety tests only work when officers follow NHTSA standards exactly. Probable cause isn't one thing, it's everything together. Stay professional no matter how hostile it gets. Your body cam's always rolling. Driving without a license while impaired. You just stacked criminal charges. Keep prescription meds in labeled bottles or face felony possession. Bottom line, proper investigation, multiple violations, lawful arrest. Drop your analysis in the comments. Thanks for watching.